Can we recover WhatsApp view once photo? Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're gonna find out whether we can recover WhatsApp view once photo or not. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the WhatsApp app on your phone and here make sure that you're logged into your account. And here as you can see, this person has sent me the view once photo. So to recover it, I'm going to simply tap on the three dot icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And once you tap on it, from the drop down menu, simply select settings. And now here, once you are in the settings section, if you scroll down and tap on storage and data, here inside the storage data, you can see the option labeled as manage storage. So simply tap on that and from here simply select the person who have sent you the photo that can be viewed once. And now here, if you try to search for it, you can't find it. That means once you open a view once photo or video on WhatsApp, it disappears permanently and cannot be opened again. And WhatsApp doesn't store it and it's designed for privacy, meaning even WhatsApp can't retrieve it once it's viewed. So here, if you can't receive or can't retrieve the photo, what you can do is simply ask the same person to send the photo again. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.